of coal washing is to reduce ash content, remove impurities, improve quality and apply to households. Therefore, coal washing is not simply washing with water, but separating coal and gang mixing coal, so as to achieve the purpose of gang discharge, what can remove most gang. The treated coal can be pelleted with a ball press. The size of roll of water washing ball press directly affects the processing capacity. The larger the ball roller, the higher the yield. Pressure ball size can be carried out according to industry standards. If there are special application requirements, the ball size can be customized from the manufacturer. The ball produced by water coal washing ball press determines whether the material is well burned in the smelting process and plays an important role in the whole process.